Hello everyone and welcome to the short feature highlight video. Today we're going to be talking about our newly released configurable dashboards functionality. Now we're super excited about this new functionality because it really opens up the possibilities for how you can use the metrics and issue dashboards within Memfault. So as you'll see the first time you log in, we still have overview and the metrics dashboard will be carried over, but we'll also now have this all dashboards tab that you can see here. By clicking in there, I can see my metrics dashboard, which is this out-of-the-box built-in metrics dashboard. Here, I can manage and create all of my metrics and issue dashboards. Here, I can also create new dashboards, however I'd like. By hitting create, it will now jump me across into my new metrics dashboard. You will see it here in the dashboards tab, and I can just tab between those into my new dashboard. I can also duplicate dashboards. So let's say I've got my metrics dashboard already built up, pretty comprehensive, but I want to change maybe a few of the charts or perhaps change its purpose and have a dedicated dashboard for another reason. I can just go in here and duplicate that existing metrics dashboard. I can change the name here. So if I want to call this perhaps my release dashboard, I could definitely do that. I can hit save. And this dashboard is now built, so I can see all of these three dashboards, my previous metrics dashboard and my two newly built ones. Jumping over here, I can also see those dashboards. I can see who built them and when they were built, and I can duplicate and delete them. Going back into this release dashboard that I've just created, I will now show you some of the other functionality that we've added. So we're going to create a new chart. You see we still have our metric charts, our issue charts, but we've also added what we're calling a markdown card. So if I create a markdown card, I could use this for all sorts of different reasons. I can add markdown here. Perhaps I wanted to add some instructions for the usage of this dashboard. I could do that. I can add in here really whatever I'd like. I can add text markdown, but I can also get creative if I want to with images, GIFs even. I can also add links. So really whatever is necessary, I can add it in there. I can preview it before I actually create that card. Once I'm happy, I hit OK. And the card will be created at the bottom of my dashboard here. And this is where the next piece of functionality comes in. So now that card is created, I actually want to move it. I'd like it to be in the top left-hand side so that all of my users, when they're using this dashboard, will read this first. So I'm going to take my instructions and drag them up into the left-hand side here. If perhaps this is actually a pretty big card and maybe I've got a lot of content in here, I can make it bigger, extending it to a 2 or a 3 times. And I can do that to all of my other cards as well. So let's say I wanted to extend this one to a 2, I could do that. I could move this one up here and perhaps extend that. I could move this back over here and make this my full size chart. As soon as I'm happy, just exit layout mode, and that layout will now be fixed so that anyone else who jumps into this dashboard will see the same layout as I do. Going back over into my all dashboards tab to manage these now. So all of the dashboards I build in here are project-wide viewable. So they're not specific to you as a user. It will show that you have built them, but everyone else will also be able to see these dashboards. If I want to delete them, really easy. Pick the dashboard I want to delete and tab down. So I'm going to delete both of these new dashboards I have now created. So hopefully that was a useful introduction to this feature. There's obviously a huge amount of possibilities here, and we really look forward to seeing what some of our customers build with these new metric and issue dashboards. With that said, we hope you enjoyed this feature highlight video. As always, if you have any questions, please reach out to the team and we'd be happy to help. Otherwise, we'll see you in the next one. Thank you.